Yeah, na nipa bebree ebusa sɛ dog your sponsorship letter ne yɛbɛyɛ dɛn yɛatwerɛ your sponsorship letter. Ebi a na wo maame wo nua wɔ fa se mo cousin ɛyɛ wo niece wadamfo classmate bi ɛna ebi a wɔsɛ wɔ ma wo sponsor ama waba ɛyɛ UK abɛyɛ wo ɛyɛ wo military assessment no. Mpɛn pii nipa bisa sɛ dog ɛbɛyɛ dɛn ne yɛatwerɛ sponsorship letter no. Na ɛnɛ nyabotere ne tie me ba be ready a sample of sponsorship letter ɛyɛ wo maame wo nua depending on the situation ɔbɛtwerɛ ama wo. Abusua yɛbɛtwerɛ ne sei wobɛbɔ wo address ɛyɛ wo sponsor no bɛtwerɛ no address na wa address to the UK embassy Accra Ghana. Obi a subject no akɔyɛ sponsorship for ebi a wa onkasa wodin nti yɛmfa edin bi te sɛ Owusu Agyekum ɛnyɛ example. Sponsorship for Owusu Agyekum visit to the UK. I am writing to confirm that I will be fully sponsoring Owusu Agyekum, a close friend and a former classmate, for his visit to the United Kingdom. Owusu Agyekum has been invited by the British Army to attend a one-day assessment on the 20th of October 2024 as part of the recruitment process. If successful, he will have the opportunity to join the British Army. Owusu and I share a long-standing friendship dating back to our days in primary school, and he was my best man at my wedding. Over the years, he has also managed my building projects in Ghana, demonstrating his trustworthiness and reliability. Owusu will be staying with my family and me at my residence at 20 Lavingdon Way from the 25th of October to the 5th of November. During this period, I will be providing him with accommodation, meals, and any other necessary support, including assistance with his preparations for the assessment. I can assure you that Owusu will adhere to all UK laws and regulations during his stay. At the end of his visit, he will return to Ghana as scheduled. Please find the following supporting document attached to his letter: a copy of my passport, proof of funds, proof of address, details of the British Army invitation to Owusu Agyekum, a copy of Owusu Agyekum's passport. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me on 0244 444444 or owusuagyekum820@gmail.com. Thanks for your consideration. Yours faithful, Musa Mohammed. Abusua, senya esitie no enie ɛyɛ sponsorship letter o sponsor owo UK ebetru ni. Wohwɛ mu a yɛbubum aprɛ bɛɛ miɛnsa ɛne yɛnan yɛkasa fa ɛyɛ relationship o sponsor no ɛne wo yɛkasa fa address oba betena yɛkasa fa emre a oba betena that particular address. Musa hwɛ mu a yɛsa ka nneɛma a mede aka ɛyɛ mede aka letter yi ho ɛba bɛyɛ supporting document. Onua, this is a sample letter and I kwan yɛfa so kyerɛ a sponsorship letter. Follow my account here, follow accounting, and that's it.